The water down here look dirty though.
Call me in your glow, won't leave me alone. I don't really know. Call me in your glow, won't leave me alone. Can you stay far from me? You still haunting me, latching on to me. Sure one meant to be. Can you stay far from me? Can you stay far from me? Can you stay far from me? Please stay far. Spiritual bondage, this feels like war. Fire in my conscience, X on my back for the longest. Demons attack me the strongest. This feels like bondage, yeah, feel like bondage. I don't really know. Call me in blow, won't leave me alone. Can you stay far from me?
Purchase your tracks
You
today.
stay far from me. You stay far from me. You stay far from me. You stay far from me.
Don't bust your ass. Look at you. I knew it. Whew.
Purchase your tracks today.
You need this.
Starting off with the native curl care shampoo.
We in the jungle, yeah? What? You gonna stop here? We just start. We just start. Shawty said it's her first time hiking. I'm a yardman still, so you know, bush. We call this shit bush. Homie said it's a hard way to the top. Oh shit. Homie on the way down just said it's mad hard to get there. This shit's about to be lit. This shit's about to be lit. It don't even feel like we went up yet. Majority of my homies 6 feet under in the slim.
the sound. Would you stick around even if I was down? Blowing out my pain, yeah, I'm smoking down loud. Calm me down, oh.
ใช่ใช่ใช่
Would you love me now? Oh, baby, would you love me now?
ตัวมันละ
Ooh, oh, ooh, oh. Trying to forget about the shit that we was talking about. I still remember all the days when we was popping out. Where'd you go? Ooh, oh, know that shit we had was fake. It's not really love. All I got right now is faith, and it's holding me up. Ooh, oh, ooh, oh,
What wet? Wet. Go where?
where'd you go?
No.
Ooh, oh,
No.
now we two lost souls on this lonely road. Nothing lasts forever, and
I
that's
don't
how
know.
it goes. Ooh, oh, ooh, oh.
I don't know. Come back. Why? Not go. I don't know. No. No walk. Oh my god.
Black Giggle.
It's crazy how they carve these paths out.
Shawty, you don't listen. I could tell that you don't love him when you kiss him. You been stressing for a long time, you miss flips. I could free your mind and lock that pussy up in prison. I'm getting so tired of wishing. I'ma wrap your body in my arms like a prism. It's a soul tie, feel like part of me is missing. Now I'm so high and you got me reminiscing. So tired trying to feed my soul. Middle of the summer, but I feel so cold. Low-key, I'm like, fuck you, cause the nigga you chose. You would feel the same way if you search my phone. I was all up on you and he did not know. I'ma fuck that nigga, bitch, if we not bros.
Stop being lazy, kid.
Kids not grown. You should keep that pussy safe when I'm not home. Cause I need that, I'ma be back when you alone. Okay, I'm a dog, but I just need my bone. Watching in your pussy like it's FIFA 4. I know you a good girl, but you still my hoe. I'm getting so tired and fed up. I'm still reminiscing on the last time we met up. I'm applying pressure and you know I ain't gon' let up. Sexing through the phone and got you wet up. Shawty, you don't listen. I could tell that you don't love him when you kiss him.
Black Giggle.
You been stressing for a long time, you miss me. I could free your mind and lock that pussy up in prison. I'm getting so tired of wishing. I'ma wrap your body in my arms like a prism. It's a soul tie, I feel like part of me is missing. Now I'm so high and you got me reminiscing.
That's why you can't go nowhere with a fucking female, bro. Never travel with a female. Never travel with a female. Look at this kid. See, we're almost there.
Eat ice cream.
Shut the fuck up.
You say shut up.
Come on.
You say shut up.
We almost there.
I'm afraid you.
Good. D. D Mark. Motherfuckers fighting for their life. She talking about ice cream. Ice cream, motherfucker.
อีกไกลไหมอ่ะ
อ๋อจะถึงแล้วพี่เดินไปแล้วนี่เลย แต่ว่าถ้าจะขึ้นอีกต้องปีนหินไปพี่
ไม่ขึ้นแล้วค่ะ
เนี่ย
หา
ว่า
ทางลงไม่ได้เลยเนี่ย ขอบคุณครับ
เนี่ยจะลงมา
See, big boys is doing it.
I'm talking with you. I'm
Big boys. Fuck. This ain't shit. And there's more to go, but this water look dirty right here. Go here. Up there. Come back. Woman, bro. Fucking annoying. This is why I travel solo. This is why I stay single. This is why. Exactly. Real ones know. These females don't be ride or die. These females jump on the train, jump off the train when they feel like it, bro. And that's a life lesson. They jump off the train when the emotions get a little hot. These females don't be down for the fucking ride. You stupid. True colors always show. And that's why you put them through tests. Like this. True colors always show. Man or woman. That's why I like journeys. A lot of y'all can't come on no journey like this. Y'all turn around, y'all go home. Y'all quit everything. Motherfuckers will quit everything just because they can't get past one little test. You feel me? Motherfuckers will book a flight home just because one little hiccup. And that's why I travel a fucking alone. Look, she didn't get to see all this beauty. Look at all this beauty. She over there. This is the best part. I'm about to, well, our vibes up here. We ain't even in the waterfall. This is the waterfall. Good time molasses. Yo, this is fire, bro. It keeps going. I don't know. This part of the water look dirty though. Good time molasses. Put no gallery, I got it. You know, I gotta see my class. I learned this shit early on too though. My dad taught me early. Woman can't do no boy shit. This is man shit. You feel me? That's why my dad used to bring us on man's trips to Jamaica. Me, him, my little brother, and my older brother. Feel me? Every day is a battle test. Shit wasn't no fucking sweet vacation. Every day was a battle test, bro. Every day we was at the river. Every day we was at the farm. The farm shit, oh my God. Being on that farm, bro, in Jamaica, oh my God. Shit was crazy. Hot. Boring. Bugs, flies, animals. But that's a battle test for a man. Shit ain't gonna be sweet. Shit ain't just gonna be kick your feet in the... This is why I like waterfalls. You gotta work to get there. You gotta work to like... You can't just sit in a fucking river. You gotta fight. There's a current. The beach is fucking easy. It's man-made. You just sit there. Hot. People cooling, people relaxing. People trying to look cute. Feel me? I'm a river boy. In Jamaica, me and my brothers, my cousins and shit, every day river, every day river. That's how I learned to swim, river. My little brother taught me to fucking swim. He was 5 years old. I was like 9. He taught me how to swim. Then I taught my older brother how to swim. He was 12. So it's like, bro, I'm a river boy from heart. Country, bro. From St. Thomas, Jamaica, bro. You know anything about St. Thomas? Straight country. Straight country, bro. Oh, shit. How the fuck do you get up here? Country. I don't know if you can get over there. I want to though. This look like the best part of the water. Fuck it. Ain't come this far to quit, gang. Oh shit. Yo. Yeah, this is crazy. I gotta walk on this wall. Somebody been here before, bro. That means... Oh shit. Oh shit, we almost lost it all. Oh! There we go. There we go. Strategic, bro. All it takes is small steps. That's one thing about river. That's one thing about river that taught me. Small steps, small steps, small steps is the strategy. It might look like you can't cross, but until you get there and take them small steps, you ain't never gonna know. You ain't never gonna know. It's all about your footing in this shit. It's all about footing in the game. See? If Shorty was with me right now, she would have said, no, we turning back, you can't go that way. Shut the fuck up. Alright, this one I think I gotta walk in the water. Yes, I do. Oh, this is that good water. That nice fresh water. Yes, Baba. Yes, Father. That nice fresh water. This is where you swim at, bro. This is where you swim at. Not that other shit. I mean, I bet it's not dirty. This is what it's supposed to look like. It's a river, so I think like the rocks clean the water for it. This is the shit. Nice cold water. Aku tuh ngebiarin Pak warnanya dibiarin. Alright. Shit getting kind of sticky, bro. I might have to put the camera away. Can't lose that. Can't fuck that up, you feel me? But hey, I'll tap back in with y'all in a minute.
Came up out of dirty part, man. How the fuck I made it out the friends? I don't do no wifey, don't do friends.